So hello everyone. We are the group 10 and we are here to present our final project and human computer interaction. So our final project is called Panda Bites. It is a food delivery web application that is inspired by the Food Panda website. So basically the goal of our project is to redesign and recreate a modern food delivery platform while improving the user interface, user experience, navigation flow, and interactive features for customers. So for our project scope, we focused on the three major parts there are three major system parts, the home page, checkout page, and the order tracking page. So this is our actual project folder inside the Visual Code Studio, showing that the system was fully coded manually using the HTML, CSS, JavaScript, Node.js, and Express.js instead of using a drag and drop website builder. And also we use a Bootstrap. And first, we have here the index HTML. So in this part, this contains the homepage, structure, restaurant cards, category sections, search bar, filtering layout, the hero section, and the location-based restaurant display. And also we have here the checkout HTML. So in this part naman, this file contains the restaurant menu systems, dynamic category, food modal pop-ups, cart systems, quantity controls, and the checkout interactions. And also we have the review.html. So in this part of the code naman, this manages the order review details before final checkout, and also we have the tracking.html. So in this part naman, it stimulates the delivery tracking and ongoing order updates. And also we have the style or the CSS for our designs. This file contains all our styling for systems, including the responsive layouts, the hover animation, transitions, shadows, card effects, modal styling, typography, spacing, and overall visual customization of the interface. And also we have Bootstrap, was also used to support responsive layouts, alignments, spacing utilities, and components, structuring across the different screen sizes and devices. And also we have the app.js or our JavaScript, and this file contains the JavaScript project that is responsible for dynamic restaurant rendering, category filtering, search functionality, menu generation, the food model interaction, the add to cart computation, quantity updates, restaurant filtering based on the pinned location, and also the dynamic content updates throughout the application. And we also have the server.js or the JavaScript file that uses Node.js and Express.js to locally run the project and connect all pages through routing. And we have the package.json, package.json, and package lock JSON files that manages project dependencies required to run uh, project dependencies and Node JS configurations. So the Node modules, we have here the Node modules naman contains all our required or installed packages to run the Express server and other dependencies of the projects. And we also have our assets that contains of our images, contains of restaurant logos, food images, icons, graphics, category images, and other media resources used throughout the systems. And we also have git ignore that files that manages the ignored file for GitHub version control. And also we have the README and how to run text that contains our project instruction and documentation for running the system locally. So this demonstrates the Pandabytes was fully designed, developed, and implemented manually through coding of our group and using the front-end and back-end web development technologies.
Now, I will demonstrate the walkthrough, which shows how user interacts with all the core features of our system from ordering food up to tracking delivery. We begin at the home page, which is the first screen the users see. Here, the users can enter or confirm their delivery location, use the search bar to find food or restaurants, browse food categories, and view a list of nearby restaurants. After selecting a restaurant, the user is redirected to the restaurant menu page. On this page, Food items are organized into categories, with each item including a name, description, and price. The user can select a food item and click the plus button to add it to their order. A customization option appears, which allows the user to adjust the quantity or select variation on the add-ons for their order. Once it is confirmed, the item is added to the cart. Once the user is done ordering, the user can click the preview button to proceed to checkout. In this page, the user confirms their delivery address, selects a delivery option, and chooses a payment method. On the right side, the system displays the list of ordered items and the total amount. Before placing the order, the user can see a confirmation screen to review all the details and avoid mistakes. After placing the order, the user is taken to the orders page. Here, they can see the ongoing orders and the completed orders. For an active order, the user can click the Track Order button, which opens the tracking page where users can see the real-time order status, estimated delivery time, rider information, and a live map showing the rider's location.